Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, then act. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so the device can fetch backups. Sign into the exact Vivo or Google account that holds your contacts because mismatched accounts won't restore. Next, enable Contacts permission for the Contacts app and any backup or cloud service. Without permission, the app can't write entries. Once done, open Settings Right Arrow Accounts and Sync, and prepare to trigger a manual restore from the Account Sync options. Now continue with the actual restore. Open the Contacts app and go to menu Right Arrow Manage Contacts, Right Arrow Import/Export. Choose Import from Cloud or VCF. If using Vivo Cloud or Google, open their backup section and tap Restore or Sync Now. This pulls remote entries and merges them. For a local VCF file, select the file from internal storage and pick the account destination. Make sure to choose Merge, not Replace, if you want to keep existing entries. This prevents accidental overwrites. Finish by verifying the results and fixing issues. You should open contacts and scan groups, numbers, and starred entries to confirm everything restored correctly. If items are missing, clear the Contacts app cache, force stop, then resync the account, alternatively re-import the VCF file. Make sure to export afresh. VCF backup to internal storage once you confirm success so you have a recoverable copy. Troubleshooting tip: if sync fails, toggle account off and on, and reboot the phone to reset background sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.